Hello! Right, we're out again. Yeah, I've been waiting for the clouds to pass actually. It started to drizzle a little bit and I don't want to get caught out in the rain again. There's still some dark clouds about and they are broken, so hopefully we'll miss them, even though we're heading straight into this one. Yes, nothing planned really, not really going anywhere, just a bit of a round trip, but yeah, the way the weather is at the moment, it's very up and down, so you sort of have to get out when you can. As you know, I don't like being out in the rain, and so yeah, we'll go for it today and see what happens. I'm going to have to put some marks on this GoPro on the bracket, so I know where to set it when I put it back on again, because it's a bit of guesswork each time I put it on. So I think if I put a couple of marks where it needs to be, I'll be able to screw it straight back on. See, I don't even know whether I've got it set up correctly now. Just guessing. Sort of in the place it was in last time, so it's a lovely gearbox on this Guerrilla. I mean, compared to my old 350 and 500 with neutrals in between every gear, this one's really smooth. In fact, it's smooth compared to my BMW. That used to clunk into gear, that did. Proper solid. But yeah, this is really smooth. Yeah, see, there's a few spots on me visor. Hopefully it's not going to come to anything, so I'm sort of heading into the brighter stuff. I've changed the GoPro view to wide view, so it's a bit of a test, this one is. See how it goes. If I don't like it, I'll flip it back to linear. Yep, a little bit of congestion. Left, right, left. We've sort of skirted around that big black cloud, so hopefully we'll be okay. Hopefully. On my last video I was testing this Movo ACM 400 mic and I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but when I got home I was yeah, pleasantly surprised with the result. I did say that I'll probably still get some wind noise because of this old drafty helmet, but other than that, yeah, it come out okay. I've got the original little foam wind sock on and the dead cat at the moment, so hopefully it's coming out okay. Nice little back lanes here. Should be quiet. Shouldn't meet anything today. I mean, we have got pockets of blue sky up there, so we should be okay. Right, here she is, the Guerrilla 450. I'm really loving this bike, I really am. I've had it only a few weeks really now, and I just love going out on it. Everything's so good, I just can't fault it. Maybe one little issue, right, and I'll show you it now. This clock, yeah, we've got flickering going on, so you're not going to see it, but the indicator lights, tiniest of little things there, you just don't notice them at all, can't see them. I've mentioned it before about it, but yeah, I don't suppose anything will ever get done with it. But other than that, I mean, like I say, I love it, I do. I have put this bag on the back and I'm really not sure about it. You know, I've got a lower bike, simple for making it easier getting your leg over it, but this is in the way now. So, I don't know. I'm tempted to take that off and go back to using a backpack. But yeah, other than that, no issues whatsoever. Pull over in a minute so we can see what the average fuel consumption is. Not that I think it's that accurate. I mean, I usually go on how much I put in from the last fill, then I can see how many miles I've done. So yeah, I'll pull over in a minute and we'll have a look, see what it's saying. Like I say, we haven't gone very far today, haven't travelled far from home, but I'll just pull in here and say, I'll just have a look, see if it's see if we can see what average fuel we're getting at the moment. I can remember how to work the menu. Fuel range till next fill 69. That's fuel consumption, but as I'm not moving, that's not going to be showing. Voltage, service, dewing, engine temperature, fuel range. Yeah. Oh, there it's on the trip meter. Yeah. Average 83.5. Yeah. Well, when I work it out when I get home with how much I put in, I'm finding about 70. But that was on the old E10 fuel, so we'll see. We'll see that when I fill it up again and I'll get home and work it out. We'll see how close to that 83 it actually is. Let's see if we get better fuel consumption on the E5 fuel. I don't mind paying a little bit extra if it's better. And it certainly has been. I bet there's more potholes than road here. I hate junctions, I really do. Oh, somebody on an old bike here. Don't know what it was. Yeah, I've done 141 miles since the last fill up, and that's about the same as I did last time, so it's going to be a fair comparison. And the actual fuel light has come on just at 146 miles since I last filled up. Yeah, some lovely sweeping bends there, which is fine if you know the road. If you don't, you could end up in trouble. Right, we're here at the garage. Let's see how much we can put in. See how I get on with filling this up. Can be a pain. Last time it was fine though, so where's the E5? Got my card on me, yep. I find going in at that angle seems to help. Don't rush it, but when I was going in like that it was clicking all the time, so slightly tilt back. It's got that stupid bar in there, look. Stop you getting the filler in properly. about as full as we're getting. And that is 8.69 litres. Pence per litre, 144.9. Yeah, £12.59. It's a pretty new petrol station, this one is, right in the middle of a roundabout. Used to be a pub, but as usual the pubs all go, don't they? It's not the best entrance and exit from it at all, but it's reasonably priced considering it's on a main road. I shall probably head back home now anyway. Got a few jobs to get on with. Well, like I said at the beginning, you got to make the most of the weather, don't you? You know, if you get a bit of a dry spell, get yourself out. You just wait there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.